Renogy 100 watts 12 volts monocrystalline solar starter kit. Includes 100W solar panel plus 38 PWM negative ground charge controller plus MC4 connectors plus 8 Fort 10 Arab and Florence tray cable plus mounting Z brackets for RB. Vote. Monocrystalline solar cell efficiency 21%. The charge controller has been upgraded to Renogy new 38 PWM negative ground charge controller, the Renogy Wanderer. With the Renogy Wanderer 38 PWM charge controller, you can expand your system up to a maximum of 400W short circuit current, ISC, 6.24A ideal output, 500 Wh per day, can fully charge a 50Ah battery from 50% in 3 hours, depending on the availability of sunlight. Negative grounding controller with battery reversed, overloading, short circuit and overcharging discharging protection ensures the broader off-grid applications and safety. Especially can be used on a vehicle which has battery negative on the chassis. Optimum operating current in 5.29A corrosion-resistant aluminum frame for extended outdoor use, allowing the panels to last for decades.